To find someone who will make you fall in love is not impossible. Kaya mo nga ma-in love ng madaming beses eh. Ang nakakabilib ay yung makahanap ka ng tao na mag-i-inspire sa'yo na ibigay sa kanya ang mundo sa abot ng makakaya mo. Yung taong for some reason makes you want to become a better person. Tipong the best that you can be. Naniniwala kasi ako na isa lang sa bawat isang tao ang nilaan ng universe para sa iyo. Kapag natagpuan mo na siya, nanaisin mong ibigay ang mundo sa kanya dahil higit pa doon ang kaya niyang ibigay sa iyo. Binibigyan ka niya ng lakas ng loob na gawin at subukan yung mga bagay na minsan ay pinangarap mo lang gawin. Binibigyan ka niya ng pagmamahal na sumasalag sa lahat ng lungkot at kadiliman ng mundo. Binibigyan ka niya ng kapayapaan sa mundo na puno ng hindi kasiguraduhan. Kaya kapag nakahanap ka nito ng ganyang klaseng tao, huwag mong sayangin, huwag mong pakawalan. Ibigay mo din lahat para sabay niyong matikman yung tinatawag nilang walang hanggan. This one for me is true. Lalo na nung part nung sinabi niya na falling in love with someone is not really impossible. Kumbaga, sa kada pasok mo nga ng relasyon, di ba? In a lifetime, you'll get into multiple relationships before you find the one. Iilan lang naman siguro yung mga porsyento ng swinerte na kung sino yung una nilang karelasyon, yun na yung kanilang nakatuluyan. Iilan lang yung porsyento, siguro mga 2 out of 10 people or even 1 out of 10 people. Pero for most of us, ang nangyayari ay we go through multiple relationships. We mature through time and experience, and then dun sa latter part ng ating mga siguro sabihin na nating 30s, 40s, late na late. May mga gano'n kasi 30s or pa 40s na dun mo lang makikita yung tao na pag-aalayan mo ng walang hanggan. And when you find that person, you'll realize, my love, na this is more than just love. For some reason, hindi lang basta kilig yung nararamdaman mo sa taong to. For some reason, you want to give this person the world, even though you know deep within you, you cannot afford everything in this world. Pero for some reason, you wanna work hard to attain it. Kumbaga parang gusto mong gawin lahat. Gusto mong maging better version of yourself, gusto mo ng better career, better income, sabihin na natin better way to handle your expenses, gusto mong ayusin yung sarili mo, mas maging mature this time around, gusto mong maging mas caring, mas maalaga, mas understanding. For some reason, you want a version 2.0, 3.0 of yourself because you think na this is the version na deserve ng taong yon. At minsan lang to dadating sa buhay mo, yung ganitong klaseng tao that would make you want to change not who you are, but how you see the world and how you present yourself because you think you can do better than that for this person. Yun yung tinatawag nilang pagmamahal or klase ng pagmamahal that you will do anything for. Kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na this is the person worth keeping for a lifetime. Ito yung tao na gusto mong makasama hanggang pagtanda. And in return, this person will give you so much more than you ask for. Ini-inspire ka niya in so many levels. Pinupush ka niya to boundaries that you couldn't even imagine you are capable of. Na for some reason yung mga bagay na dati hindi mo naman kayang gawin, arukin, wala kang lakas ng loob para subukan, ngayon parang kaya mo na. Dati feeling mo hindi ka naman ganun katalino to attain this kind of position, to acquire this kind of respect, but for some reason ngayon parang alam mong yun na yung personality mo. For one amazing reason, and that that person is the reason. You became this version of yourself na even you ay nagugulat na kaya mo pala maging. Na masasabi mo na lang hanggang sa mapansin mo siya na I couldn't have done this, any of this, without this person. I couldn't have overcome yung mga pinagdaanan kong yun if it wasn't for this person. I don't even think kakayanin ko lahat ng yun, malalagpasan ko lahat ng yun, kundi dahil sa taong to. And for that reason, and that reason alone, I would want to spend my lifetime giving it back to this person. Kapag nahanap mo siya, my love, katulad na lang ng sinabi ni David, don't ever let that person go. But most importantly, my love, do not ever let that version of you go. Kasi that version of you is your best version. This is the version of you that you would want to keep for a lifetime and you would want to be for a lifetime. Kasi this version of you will go far. Together with that person, you are indestructible. Together with that person, nothing for you will ever be impossible. Kaya sa mga nakahanap na ng ganitong klaseng pagmamahal, sana all. Sana all na lang po. Prayer reveal po. Prayer reveal naman po dyan. O, diba? Pero kidding aside, I hope you have a blissful lifetime. You guys deserve to be happy. Now, kung hindi ka pa nakakahanap ng ganito, if you haven't found that person yet that will make you want to turn yourself into the best version ng sarili mo, then my love, just be patient. May tamang kalkulasyon ng oras, ang panahon at pagkakataon. Maaaring ngayon hindi ka pa ready for it or hindi pa siya ready for you. Pero one day, mag-a-align din yan. Ready na siya, ready ka na. And when the time is right, you'll meet her, you'll meet him. And that will be the start of your forever. Just don't lose hope. Love is a very tricky matter, sa totoo lang. Having a relationship that would last a lifetime is not a walk in the park. You just have to believe in the process and trust the process. Na itong prosesong to na pinagdadaanan mo is preparing you for that certain kind of forever. Klaro?